It starts as a hairline fracture. You think it's cosmetic, you put some caulk on it, but underneath that fiberglass, the still skeleton of your house is snapping in half. And if you own a 2020 or 2021 model, you are driving a financial time bomb. We don't take manufacturers' money, and we don't take dealer sponsorships, so we can tell you what they won't.
Other channels sell you the dream. We protect you from the nightmare.
I'm John, and I'm the forensic mechanic who knows exactly how they break.
And I'm Rhonda. I'm the financial investigator who knows exactly how they steal your equity.
And today, we are auditing the Keystone, Montana. It is the best-selling luxury fifth wheel in the market. But hidden in the dealer's database is a document called the KSB 210122.
If you don't check your PIN box for the sticker associated with this document, your $80,000 asset could be worth zero. Let's open the books. To understand why you might lose $12,000 on a repair, you have to understand the shell game. You think you bought a Keystone.
But you didn't buy a Keystone frame. You bought a Lippert frame.
Exactly. Lippert Components, LCI, builds the chassis. Keystone builds the box on top. When the frame cracks, Keystone points at Lippert. Lippert points at Keystone's weight specs. And you are the ping pong ball in the middle.
This is kind of sounding familiar with another model.
It does.
And in 2020 and 2021, during the manufacturing boom, production speeds went up. And on the high country models, physics started winning. Let's talk engineering. Why does everybody want a Montana? It's the drop frame. By dropping the frame rails here in front, they create a massive pass-through storage. It's brilliant. We love the utility.
It's the number one selling point. You can fit kayaks, generators, everything.
But look at the leverage. That upper deck where your bedroom is a lever arm hanging over your truck bed. When you hit a bridge transition at 65 miles per hour, that bedroom wants to snap downward. The only thing holding it is the frame welds and the sidewall studs. On a Pacific 2020 and 2021 models, that flex became excessive. The frame moves more than the fiberglass wall can handle. The result? The wall tears open.
Oh,
yeah.
This is Keystone Service Bulletin 210122, released in January of 2021. It admits models may develop sidewall cracks at both front slide-outs.
Now, Rhonda, explain the difference between a recall and a bulletin. This is crucial.
A recall is when an NHTSA forces them to notify you because the wheel might fall off and kill someone. A service bulletin is a fix on fail. They tell the dealer how to fix it if you complain. If you don't notice the crack before your 3-year structural warranty expires, you are paying for the fix yourself. And John, what does the fix involve if you have a mechanical background?
It's rough. It's like open heart surgery if you're not a mechanic. You first remove the exterior skin. Step 2, then you have to grind the frame. Good luck with that with no experience. You install the expansion joint trim piece to hide the movement. And finally, if you buy a used unit that hasn't had this done, you are buying a pre-broken RV. Now, here's the kill switch for your wallet. A lot of you run these gooseneck adapters or the Anderson Ultimate Hitch because they are lighter and they leave your truck bed clean.
The use of any adapter or extension may void the chassis warranty.
Lippert hates these things. They claim it adds leverage to the frame. Whether that is true or not doesn't matter. What matters is that you present a cracked frame to a dealer and they see this hitch in your truck.
Claim denied. Lippert says unauthorized modification. Keystone says, not our frame. You are stuck with a $12,000 repair bill on a unit you still owe $60,000 on.
We aren't saying the Montana is trash. It's a legend for a reason. But in those pandemic years, the engineering pushed the envelope way too far.
You need to protect your money. Here's the Watchdog audit checklist.
1. Go to the pin box. Look for a sticker that says KSB 210122. If it's there, the reinforcement was done. Number 2, look under the bed slide. Is there a vertical piece of trim that cuts the fiberglass? That is the relief cut. If you see it, good. That means the wall room has flex.
3, if you are buying used and you see a hairline crack starting at the bottom corner of the slide, do not sign. Walk away.
Physics always wins. Make sure the math works in your favor.
But wait, if you think frame cracks are bad, you haven't seen what they're doing with delamination clauses in 2025 warranties.
We found a clause that says, water damage is your fault if you didn't inspect the roof every 90 days. Click this video right here to see the contract language they are hiding.